How to download and install Messenger Kids. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. In today's video, I will show you the easiest way to download and install the Messenger Kids app on your mobile device. Without further ado, let's learn how to download this messaging platform made for kids. Open Play Store on your Android device or App Store on your iOS device. Tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner. Tap on the search bar, search for Messenger Kids as shown on the screen. Select the first search result for Messenger Kids. Tap on the install button. The Messenger Kids app will begin downloading and installing on your device. Please note that the installation time may vary depending on your internet speed, so please be patient. Once the installation is completed, you can start using the Messenger Kids app on your device. Simply tap open, give all the necessary permissions, then log into your account if you have one, or sign up for a new account. After that, you will be all set to use this messaging platform made for kids. And boom! You have successfully learned how to download and install Messenger Kids on your mobile device. That's it for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.